In today's video, I'm going to be showing off the transition table plugin for OBS, which allows you to use multiple scene transitions to spice up the way that you're transferring from one scene to the next. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is search up transition table OBS plugin. I will also leave a link to it down in the description. But anyways, we'll go to this link here. It'll be this page here showing off what the transition table looks like. Then in the top right corner, we're going to hit download. I'm on Windows, so I will hit the download link here, and then I will follow through with my installer in the top right corner. After we've done that, we'll have to restart OBS for it to take action. All right, so the first thing that I want to draw attention to is the scene transitions dock in the bottom corner here. If you don't see this, just click the docs drop down and hit scene transitions. You're going to start off with a cut and a fade transition, and then you're obviously able to add in your own custom ones, which I've done here for the secondary, the main, white, and reds. You do that just by hitting the plus, adding a stinger, giving it a name, and then uploading the file. The second part that I want to show off is when we hit the tools dropdown. This is where we will find our transition table. I'm going to put that to the side here, and you're going to notice that I already have a couple of options set up. So I'm just going to show you how I would do this. So let's say I wanted to have a specific transition when I change from my starting soon screen to any of my different scenes. What I'm going to do is click my from and hit starting soon. Maybe when I go from my starting soon to my display scene, I want to have it fade over. And I want this to last 1 second. So we'll do 1000 milliseconds. We'll hit set, and then I can hit close. If I reopen my transition table, we can now see that starting soon to display, so we know that it should work. So I'm going to switch to my starting soon scene here. You just saw my main white transition that I have typically running, but now we're in my starting soon, and when I click my display, it fades through. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful for you. I've really been enjoying using this plugin. I think it just gives the streams a little bit more of a luxurious feel, as you just have a little bit more variety worked in, rather than having your one stinger transition doing all the work. You have the option to cut sometimes, fade it sometimes, which is really, really nice. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like and maybe think about subscribing. But that's all that I got for you today. Peace.